Motorola Edge New 2025, the best-looking smartphone set to shake up the market. Motorola is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone world with its upcoming release, the Moto Edge New 2025. This sleek and elegant device is already generating excitement among tech enthusiasts, with many speculating that it could be a serious contender to the iPhone. Although official details are still under wraps, early leaks and reports have provided a sneak peek into what we can expect from this highly anticipated smartphone. Let's explore the rumored features, specs, and potential pricing of the Moto Edge New 2025. Rumored features. Design. The Moto Edge New 2025 is expected to boast a modern, ultra-slim design with minimal bezels, delivering a premium and eye-catching appearance. Display. A vibrant OLED display with a refresh rate of at least 120 Hz is anticipated, ensuring smooth performance and an immersive viewing experience. Performance. Likely powered by the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, this device promises lightning-fast performance, making it perfect for multitasking and gaming. Camera. The camera system is rumored to include multiple lenses, providing exceptional image quality, advanced AI enhancements, and superior low-light capabilities. Battery. A robust 5,000 mAh battery is expected, with support for fast and possibly wireless charging, ensuring the phone stays powered throughout the day. Software. The Moto Edge New 2025 is expected to run on the latest version of Android, likely offering a near-stock experience with some unique Motorola features. Connectivity. Full 5G support and cutting-edge connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi 7, are also anticipated. Pricing and availability. While the official pricing has not yet been revealed, it is expected that the Moto Edge New 2025 will fall into the premium category, potentially positioning itself as a direct competitor to high-end devices like the iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models. A mid-2025 release date is likely. With its blend of advanced features and stunning design, the Moto Edge New 2025 could be Motorola's most competitive smartphone yet, setting it up to make waves in the flagship market. The Moto Edge New 2025 is rumored to feature a stunning display designed to provide an immersive viewing experience. Here's what we know so far. Screen size 6.82 inches, offering a large canvas for content consumption. Display type, punch-hole design, ensuring a sleek, modern look with minimal distractions. Refresh rate, 120 Hz, delivering smooth scrolling and fluid animations, perfect for gaming and video playback. Show resolution, 1080 by 2920 pixels, providing sharp, clear visuals. With these specs, it's clear that Motorola is aiming to cater to users who prioritize a premium display for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. The Moto Edge New 2025 is expected to deliver impressive performance, powered by processor, MediaTek Dimensity 7200, providing robust power for multitasking, gaming, and handling demanding applications. Fingerprint sensor, included for enhanced security and convenient unlocking. The inclusion of the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 indicates that users can expect smooth performance, making the device suitable for both everyday tasks and high-performance activities. The Moto Edge New 2025 addresses the crucial need for long battery life with the following features. Battery capacity, 6,600 mAh, providing ample power for extended usage. Fast charging, includes a 120-watt charger ensuring rapid recharges. Charging time, approximately 55 minutes for a full charge. With this large battery and impressive fast charging capabilities, users can enjoy a full day of heavy use with minimal downtime, ensuring the phone stays powered up when needed. Moto Edge New 2025 boasts an impressive camera system, highlighting its focus on photography and content creation. Rear camera system. Main camera, 300 megapixel AI-powered lens for stunning high-resolution shots. Ultra-wide camera, 32 megapixels, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and wide scenes. Telephoto lens, 13 megapixels, ideal for high-quality zoom shots. Zoom capability, up to 20x zoom for distant subjects. Nesher front camera, 50 megapixels, ensuring high-resolution, detailed self-portraits. With its 300 megapixel main camera, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, and support for HD video recording, The Moto Edge New 2025 is shaping up to be a strong contender for mobile photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. The Moto Edge New 2025 is expected to offer 3 different RAM and storage configurations to cater to a variety of user needs. 8 GB RAM with 128 gigabytes internal storage, 12 GB RAM with 256 GB internal storage, 16 GB RAM with 256 GB internal storage. These options provide flexibility for users based on their usage patterns and budget, ensuring there's a suitable variant for everyone. Expected launch and pricing. While an official release date hasn't been confirmed, industry insiders suggest the Moto Edge New 2025 could launch between late 2024 and early 2025, likely around January to February 2025. As for pricing, the device is expected to fall within the upper mid-range to premium segment. Expected price range, $34,999 to $44,999. For potential discounted price, $35,999 to $39,999, with discounts ranging from $1,000 to $2,000. EME options may also be available, potentially starting from around $12,000 per month, making it more accessible to a broader range of consumers.